How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add a Gcash payment method in OKX. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So for those of you who aren't aware, OKX is a peer-to-peer based cryptocurrency company offering services like crypto exchange. And using the app or even on their website, there should be an option, assuming that you have an account going, to add different payment methods. So in this video, like I said, I'll be teaching you guys how to add the Gcash payment method. So to actually do so is quite simple, and I'll be showing you two ways on the app and on the web. So we'll be starting with the app one. So once you guys have installed the OKX app on Google Store or whatnot, you basically want to open the app and you want to go to the P2P trading page rather. So to access it, you just want to click on this one right here, this button, and then you want to click on your profile. Now on your profile is where you'll actually get to add payment gateways. So you want to click on payment, looks like this, and add a payment method. So from the payment method, the app will basically generate a list full of different payment methods that are supported rather in OKX. So you just want to look for Gcash here and select Add Account. So from here, you want to click like I said, Add Account, choose your currency and payment method, so it can pertain to a bank or an e-wallet. And when you do, you want to insert your credit card or rather your account details. So if it's a bank account, then obviously you want to enter the corresponding bank details like your account number, the expiration date, the CVV, and whatnot. Now, if it's for Gcash, then it's pretty straightforward. Just want to give it your number as well as your full name and your just to verify the credentials, like when you log in. Now, after that, you guys should be good to go. Just want to review the details, click on confirm, and that'd be it. You've successfully added Gcash as a payment method for OKX. Now we can use it as a means to buy cryptocurrency, so USDT or whatever. Now on the web version, it's pretty much the same thing. You just want to log in your account, click on my profile, basically follow this path here, add payment method, then manage payment methods, and then here is where you'll get to actually add the payment method. So select the currency or payment method from the list. So for this, in this case, we're going to choose Gcash, insert the details like so again, verify with either your email or your phone number, just to make sure that it's you, and then review details, confirm, and you're done. So yeah, that's basically it. It's not rocket science. It's pretty straightforward. So there you guys have it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. If you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.